Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the one and only Rumble stock. So we're all excited about that. We're going to be breaking down kind of what's going on with it and answering that main question that a lot of people have of should you buy and how should you buy. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this, hit that like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. So let's jump into it. So for those of you that don't know what Rumble is and you just clicked on this video, pretty much Rumble is a neutral free video social media site. They're supposed to be immune to the cancel culture. That's what Yahoo Finance states. And what we've seen is a massive amount of buying pressure, right? The stock had a merger here and the stock went from about $10 all the way up to $17. Established some support here at about 11, some resistance up here at about 13. That kind of just traded in between here for a while, and then over the past couple of days we've just seen this thing stair step its way down. And I think what we kind of saw was kind of something expected, because anytime a stock goes up this much this quick, we always just get natural tendency to get sell off. And looking at it here, they did announce that on Monday, November 14th, they're going to be announcing their third quarter earnings. And for a company that their revenue and their balance sheet is not the greatest, looking at this here, you'll notice that their revenue is up about up to about $4.4 million. And I think that's a lot. And the reason why I say that is because this company that only brings in, $4.4 million, let's find this market cap. And so for a company that only brings in $4.4 million on their revenue, they have a market cap of about almost $3 billion, $2.6 billion. And I think that's absolutely insane because that you want to invest in a company that's killing it on revenue, killing it on net income, profit margin. Look at the profit margin. This company is 100% not profitable. So when they announce, hey guys, we're going to announce our earnings, everybody's expecting a massive sell-off because their profit margin is negative 106%, meaning for every $100 Rumble brings in, they actually lose another $100 and $6. Which is crazy. So the revenue's down a lot, but I think that's going to be kind of what's expected from a site like this right now. The huge competitor with Rumble is obviously Google that owns YouTube, and Google kind of has something called infinite money because they have over $100 billion just sitting in cash. So if they think Rumble is going to be a massive competitor with them, do you think they're gonna adjust their site or create a new site? They easily could do that. But I definitely think Rumble carries some potential, carries some risk. Obviously, it's going to be one of these stocks that I classify as a higher growth, higher reward play, right? This stock could easily fall down to $6, $5, $4 a share, but on the flip side, we could see this thing hit $17, $18, $20 a share in the next 2 years. The risk is astronomical. I think that's how you say it. I'm not even sure, but I definitely think it's worth taking a stab at. I took a little stab at. I'm obviously down a little bit, but I think for me, this is a stock that I keep under 1% of my portfolio. What that means is for every $100 I have invested into other stocks, assets, bonds, ETFs, I don't mind putting $1 into this. I think a great strategy as well is dollar cost averaging, right? Invest on a consistent basis into the stock. The beauty of it is if the stock goes up, you make money, you have shares. And then if the stock sells off, what you do is you average down that share price. So once the stock recovers, you're in money. I think for me, right, we're just getting natural sell-off right now just because anytime a stock goes up this much this quick, we're going to have some sort of sell-off, guys. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been trying to find exact reasons why, we've gotten this sell-off. I don't see anything. And you'll notice, right, all we see right now is just natural sell-off. And the last article I saw was right in here, and this is just because a filing D report by Rumble, and that's pretty much it, guys. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to learn more about investing, money management, trading, make sure you guys check out that course, and we will see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.